Hi, yesterday I got a valuable package. This box contains game Shard of Spring for Commodore 64. It's an RPG game by Strategic Simulations, SSI. I bought this version because I wasn't able to find any disk image online that could work. There was a problem with corrupted disks when you create a character and you want to add them to your party. This part was broken. I found a workaround just by using English version with Hungarian version, as I just took character disk from the Hungarian version, and this one seems to work, but still I wasn't able to create any characters. So I hope that this copy is going to work and I can preserve this game. So let's find it out. I don't know if I even need this knife, but I guess I might need it here and there. Just a very small package. Unfortunately, this version is without a box. It's just the manual and the disc. I wasn't able to find anything else. But I guess I have to accept it, what I have now. Charts, yes, this is it. Okay. I bought it from a retro shop in Germany, online, on eBay. And I want to be a little bit careful with opening it, especially with this knife. Okay, what do we have here? Okay, this is how it's done, the box. Nice, some flower worms. They will support my gameplay of this game as part of my too many hours stream where I play games. Perimeter protected by wall of ice. That's interesting combination. Ooh, strengthened by 14. That's a lot. Okay. No. No, that was my plan. I don't want to play this game anymore, I think. Can we do something else today? Okay, so this is the manual. Shard of Spring. Okay. Yeah, nice one. It looks much shorter than the manual for Demon's Winter. There is also some loading and special instructions. Okay. Nice. And the disc. Hopefully this disc will be working properly. Oh, I got another disc. I guess the character disc, maybe it's there. I don't know. And this is one-sided. Okay. Backside game disc. Front side starter disc. Indeed. Yeah. Okay. So hopefully this game disc contains the working version. I'm going to try to preserve it and compare to the other version and see if it works. I will use XEU 1541. This one goes with USB to PC, so I will try to make a raw dump of this disk. So wish me good luck. Before the attempt to preserve this copy, I will show you the correct version I found online and what was the problem with it. Let me load it. Okay. I'll switch to side B. Okay, the Shard of Spring. This is version 1.0, cracked by the Jolly Roger Commodore Pirates Guild. Okay, fine. In this version, I'm able to load the party, but there's already a problem with the disk that contains party members. I'm not going to show you this because it's just a waste of time. You can check it by yourself, but it's not going to work. I was able to combine this version with the Hungarian version. I didn't play the Hungarian version as I said before. I just used the character disk from it. So this sort of worked, but still I was not able to create any characters, so that's a boomer. So let me go to character utilities. Let's see. Okay, now I will put the disk. And even I tried to put the Hungarian disk and the effect was the same. Okay, so now I'm in the character utilities program, and with the first option I can create human or dwarf, and there's an option to roll the character statistics. And once you're done with it, you can press the fire and you should go to the next menu screen. But in this case, the game just crashes. So that's all. You cannot really do anything about it. I tried many things and it just doesn't work. So hopefully the version I got will be the one that I will be able to play. I already checked that this issue doesn't occur over there, so it's just the problem with this cracked version. So hopefully I can preserve it. Let's try it. I attached the drive to XU1541 interface to my PC, so now I'm able to read the content of the disk. Let's put it on. Okay, and the command I'm going to run is cbmctrl for this interface XU1541. Let's try to read the directory on the disk in the location 8. Okay, seems to work. And yeah, this is the directory. So there's a boot program and a few others. Okay, it seems that this is the content of the disk indeed. All right, so now it's time to see if I can preserve this disk. This 64 copy will be the one. I will again use the adapter. I will provide the adapter. Disk type is 1541 and device logical number 8, and then the name of the disk64 output. Okay, let's see. Read error. Okay, that's not good. So it seems like it's broken. Okay, now it reads, but with some errors. Not a good condition indeed. Or maybe there is some protection, a copy protection that this interface is not going to handle. I'm not certain about it. Leap USB error timeout. I don't know what it is about. Maybe that's the problem with the connectivity. This doesn't seem to work. I don't think it's not going to work. I will try to stop. Okay. Okay, let's try with another drive. I will try to get the second side first. Hopefully this one will be less problematic. So this 64 copy, adapter XU1541, 8, and then short of string B, this 64. Okay, let's give it a try. Maybe I should also give like three tries. I think that's a good number. Just to retry. Okay, let's see. I was able actually to load the game. I tested it briefly. So I guess that the whole disk should be fine. Okay, that was perfect. No errors. I wonder if it's the case. Let's check the side A again. Maybe this drive is more lucky. I don't know. But I guess there is some protection because I'm not able also to get the listing when I load it on Commodore 64. So there might be something truncated. I really don't know. Or maybe that's a protection already in place. Okay, that was the problem I already had. So it's the same. But the problem with the drive, I'm checking that on the third drive. I wonder if it's a protection against copying, or maybe this disk is malfunction. But I'm able to load it without any issues, so that's really interesting case. Maybe I have to skip some tracks. Okay, so 10 tracks, the first 10 tracks I guess. Or even more. It tries to reload it. It failed. Okay. Oh yeah, last time it stopped at 43, I guess, percent. So I also wonder if this is part of the protection. Yep, it's tags now. Now I will get this leap USB error timeout, indeed. So this is what it is. Now I will check how the dumped D64 image for both sides looks in Dear Master. And now it looks like this mess. Non-smooth, monster data, start, party names, a lot of files. In the first disk I had issues. Load. Looks like this. But I wonder if it will load. Let's try with CCS64 emulator. Error during load, reboot. So either preserving this disk didn't work, or copy protection detected an illegal copy, I guess. That's all for today. It's getting late. But the next step will be to create a new disk64 disk image and copy all the files manually. Hope it will work. To be continued. So thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe so you won't miss the second part. Also, if you would like to support my preservation project, I would appreciate any amount sent on Ko-Fi. So thanks again and see you in the next video. Bye! And now if I list it, yes, it's here. The whole listing is here.